Yeah, what?
Starry, starry night, paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer day with eyes that know the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hill, handsome trees and daffodils, cast the breeze and winter chill, and colors on the snowy little land. Now I understand what you trying to say to me. How you suffered for your sanity, how you try to set them free, not listen and not know how. Perhaps they listen now.
Starry, starry night, flaming flowers that brightly blaze, swirling clouds in violet haze, reflecting face and eyes of channel blue, colors chasing you. Morning fields of amber grain, weather faces light in pain, I stood beneath the artist's loving hands. Now I understand what you try to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, and now you try to set them free. Did not listen, did not know how. Perhaps they listen now, for they could not love you, but still your love was true. And when no hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do.
But I could tell you, Vincent, this world was never meant for no one as beautiful as you.
Starry, starry night, portraits hung in empty halls, frameless hats on nameless walls, with eyes that watch the world and can't forget, like strangers that you met. The ragged man in ragged clothes, the silver thorn of bloody rose, like rust and broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you try to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, and how you try to set them free. Did not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never will.